Ladies and gentlemen, and the honorable judges, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Ardian Saputra, and in this special opportunity, I would like to deliver such an exciting topic that will mark as the beginning of a new era, a significant milestone for our future innovations. The era of artificial intelligence, which lead us to the conclusion that AI is the best invention in human history, or the worst challenge for humanity. Does it mean it will be the end of human era and replaced by machines? But here we are, speak up about technology as proof that we are not afraid of the beauty of endless possibilities in future. The honorable judges, can you imagine if one of the participants is an artificial intelligence? I mean, it's not impossible. In 2022, Japanese TV channels using AI to be their news anchors. And in the same year, there are several YouTubers and streamers that generated by artificial intelligence. It's all the possibilities that we cannot imagine before. Now, the question arises, how terrific it can be. What is actually artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a machine that learns from how human brain works, encompassing reasoning, learning, communicating, and decision making. Unlike a Google machines that provide predefined information, AI is designed to think critically and making decisions to respond to various situations. The best Go player in the world, Lee Sedol, faces defeat against AI called AlphaGo, an AI that learned through millions of practices and matches, studied how human playing style using neural networks that inspired by how human brain works. AI using it to defeat human in a game that human creates by themselves. AI progress has undeniably transformed human environment. Its ability to process data, its ability to recognize pattern, making decisions with incredible speed has paved the way for previously unimaginable innovations. AI has become a tool that pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. However, on the other hand, the rapid evolutions of AI raises the ethical concerns and challenge our traditional notions of work, privacy, and security. The fear of job displacement, the potential misuse of AI for malicious purposes is valid concerns that cannot be overlooked. As we celebrate the benefits of AI, we must be responsible for guiding its development that prioritize human well-being. The story of AlphaGo defeats human serves as a horrific example for AI capabilities. While it showcases the immense potentials of AI capabilities surpass the human capabilities, it also highlights the need for human to remain vigilant, adaptable, and in control for the technology they create. In conclusions, it's not about the best invention or the worst challenge in humanity. AI is undoubtedly a transformative chapter in human history. Instead, it is a powerful tool that reflects the essence of human innovations. We take a step of collaboration, ethical consideration, and a commitment to addressing the challenges ahead. We can shape an era where artificial intelligence is support the human experience rather than replaces it. Again, for the last, let us prove that we are not afraid of the beauty of endless possibilities in future. I am Ardian Saputra. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.